Hey guys, so today's video is going to be on a teddy bear. This one is going to be a longer project, so it's going to be in a couple different videos. So this is the bear we're making, and I've printed off the pattern that I'm going to be following. I'm going to also be showing you how to follow patterns, so I'll make sure to leave the link so that you can follow along. The first thing we're going to start with is the head. And so the first thing that we're going to do is grab our yarn and crochet hook. I'm going to be using brown yarn again, and the only reason I'm using the brown is because most bears are brown. Alright, so the first thing that the pattern says to do is with A, so that's if you're doing different colors, because the bear is white but it has different colors for the scarf. So with A, chain 2. So with our main yarn, we're going to do a slip knot, and then we're going to chain 2. Alright, so now that we've chained 2, the next part of the pattern says work 6 single crochet in first chain, and then place marker in first stitch from beginning of round. So what we're going to do is in this first chain, we're going to do 6 single crochet. The single crochet is insert your hook, wrap from behind, pull through, wrap from behind, pull through 2. So that's 2 stitches, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then what I like to use for a marker is a safety pin. But we're going to put that in just a minute. So the next row, round 2, is work 2 single crochet in each stitch around. So in this first stitch, we're going to do, insert our hook, do 1 single crochet, and then 2 single crochet in the same loop. And now, that first single crochet that we just did, we're going to open up our safety pin, and we're going to put the safety pin in that first loop, and that tells us where the beginning of it is. So we just did 2 in that stitch. Now we'll do 2 in the second stitch, and then in the third stitch, and then fourth, then we'll go back and count. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And that's how many single crochet we're supposed to have on that round. Okay, so round 3. Work 2 single crochet in next stitch. Single crochet in next stitch. And then the repeat from this little thingy means from wherever that first one was. So what we're going to do is we're going to undo our safety pin, and in that first stitch we're going to do 2 single crochet, and then in that first one that this first single crochet that you just did, we're going to put the safety pin back in it. And then in the next stitch, you're just going to do 1 single crochet. And then in the next stitch, you're going to do 2. And then the next stitch, you're going to do 1. And you're going to repeat that to the end. Your very last stitch is just going to be 1 single crochet. Alright, so row 4. You're going to do 2 single crochet in the first stitch, and then single crochet in the next 2 stitches. So again, we're going to take our safety pin out, and we're going to do 2 single crochet in the first stitch, and then count back 2 and put it in the second one, and then we're going to do 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and then 1 in the next, and then 2 in that next one. So now that we just did 2, we're going to single crochet in the next 2, and then 2 single crochet in the next stitch. And you're going to do that all the way around, ending in 1 single crochet. And by the end of this round, if you count it, you should have 24 single crochet. Alright, round 6 is 2 single crochet in next stitch and single crochet in each of next 4 stitches. So again, like the other rounds, we're going to take the safety pin off and do 2 single crochet, and then put the safety pin back, and now we're going to do 4 single crochet in the next 4 stitches, and then 2 single crochet in the next stitch, and then 4 single crochet in the next 4 stitches, and then 2 single crochet, and then you're going to continue that all the way around until you have 36 single crochet. Okay, so the next couple of rounds are going to be the exact same thing. So from round 7 to round 14, you're just going to do 1 single crochet in each stitch, making sure that it's still 36 stitches. And you will still be moving the safety pin up and down, except for in that first stitch, you will only be doing 1 single crochet and then putting it back. And then you'll do 1 single crochet in each stitch around. And what I do as I finish rows is I go back with a pencil, and so if I finished round 7, then I would write 7, 8, 9, and I would write which rows I have completed. That way I can keep track of what I've done. Okay, so we just finished the 14th round, and so it's starting to look like a head. So the next part is called the decrease, and so this right here means single crochet 2 together, and then we'll do a single crochet in the next 4 stitches. So as usual, we'll take our safety pin off. Now a single crochet 2 together is you insert your hook in the next stitch and you wrap from behind and you pull back through. But instead of wrapping and pulling through 2 loops, you're going to insert your hook in the next stitch, wrap from behind, pull through, wrap from behind, and pull through all 3. And then we're going to put our safety pin back in, and then we'll do a normal single crochet in the next 4 stitches. And then again, we're going to do another single crochet 2 together, and that is insert your hook, wrap from behind and pull through. Then the next stitch, insert your hook, wrap from behind and pull through. 3 loops on the hook, wrap from behind and pull through all 3. 4 single crochet in the next 4 stitches. And then single crochet 2 together. Insert your hook, wrap from behind and pull through. Insert your hook in the next stitch, wrap from behind, pull through, wrap from behind and pull through all 3. You're going to do that all the way around, and then you'll have 30 stitches by the end. Okay, so as you can see, we just finished round 15, and if you can look and see it, it kind of starts getting a little bit smaller. So the next round, I'm going to take the safety pin off, and it's single crochet 2 together, and then single crochet in each stitch for the next 3. So again, single crochet 2 together is insert your hook, wrap from behind and pull through, insert your hook, wrap from behind and pull through, then wrap from behind and pull through 3. Then you're going to put safety pin back on, and you're going to single crochet in the next 3 stitches, and then single crochet 2 together, and then single crochet in the next 3 stitches, and single crochet 2 together. And you're going to repeat that to the end, and the final count of stitches will be 24. Okay, last row. So this row is going to be the same thing. We're going to start out by doing a single crochet 2 together, and then putting the safety pin back on. And this one is just going to be 2 single crochet, and then single crochet 2 together, and then 2 single crochet, and then single crochet 2 together, and then that all the way around until there's 18 stitches left. Okay, we're at the end, and as you can see, it's a very small opening now, and it's a little more like a head. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to leave a rather large tail, and then we're going to cut, and then we will wrap it once. Actually, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take that off, and in the next stitch I'm going to do what's called a slip stitch. So you insert your hook, wrap from behind, pull through, and then pull through that next loop, and then wrap from behind and pull through that loop, and then you're going to pull the tail all the way through, and then secure it, make sure it's tight. And then that is the head.